Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I feel like I'm hurting her though.
Jada Mo, is that silly? Jada. Jada Mo.
Tracy,
Look at your mama's over here.
Jada Mo.
Other side.
Is that silly? Is
You're
she
laughing? You sound like you're crying.
It's so like she's starting to get sad. Doesn't look like it anyway.
Do Zerbert, Chrissy.
She's a wild woman.
What's he doing to you? Oh. It's such good kisses. I get such good kisses.
I can't tell if you're laughing, you're crying. Can't tell. You're a wild woman. For him to slingshot you across the room today, didn't he? I got you. So happy. Oh. She's so happy. So happy. That's a nice baby. Such a nice baby. Oh, okay. Ooh, get your hand under my nose.
Don't take about like up her nose.
Well, it's just my nose.
It's time for Nanny.
Mama. Oh my goodness, you are one strong gal. Please don't eat my hands.
Jada Mo's.
Boom. Oh, is that a girl? Look at the big girl. Oh, she's walking. Look at those steps. Look at those steps. Look at those steps. Oh. Here, let's get this bit. Right over there. Oh, there we go. Now we're a little better down. So cute. Oh, goodness sakes. Leg collapse. How about if I hold you under your armpits? Oh, those are crossed. Okay, there we go.
Jada Mo's.
I need foot awareness. To see mama over there.
Jima. Jima Mamas. Hi Mamas. Hi Mamas. How are you doing, Mamas? To be a good girl. Say smile to your mom. Hey, so silly. Hey, so silly. Jada Mamas. Jada.
Ask
Jada
Mom,
Mama.
should we videotape me eating some sweet potatoes?
She get those sweet potatoes. She liked those. She had them once yesterday.
Oh, I'm getting some hugs. I like it when I get the animal hugs. Oh, do you like Keely's mobile?
We need a poo.
Oh, bless you, Keely.
Auntie one.
Oh, it's gotta be careful. You can get it. Hi, Jada. You can get the birdie. That moved my arm. Jada says, I'm gonna call get that birdie.
What?
Your interest rate goes down year after year for 4 years in a row.
Jada.
Uh-oh.
Only
That one did birdie.
1-800. Well, yes.
Oh, you guys stop pushing on me. Jada wants to get Scott.
He's clapping up.
You touch your bird.
Don't touch your bird. Hey,
Malik, move out of the way.
see me?
I don't want to see you right now. I want to see Jada first, and then I'll see you.
Get that video.
There you go. Got him. Oh, careful. Malik Bennett. You almost headbutted him. He's going home. Jada. What you doing, silly girl?
Jada.
You start crying. What are you saying? Walk to me, Jada.
I'll punch you right now.
Jada, come here. Jada. Jada. Come over to mom. Haha. See, I can crawl all over, or roll all over. Can't crawl yet.
I can be so bad. I'm even strong.
What are you trying to say?
I can do it. Bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Better stop. Better stop. I'll kick you.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
How about this?
No, you got the crawl.
See, I'm even strong.
I know you're
How
trying.
about I stretch out? Let's do this. Hello. Look at this. Okay, I'll do this. No, Toby, I'm up here. I'm up here. I'm doing push-ups down here. Okay, you be up here. I'll be down there, okay? No problem. I'll be down here.
Go. Nice little girl. Will you tell me stories? No. Malik and Camden, come downstairs. Malik! Malik and Camden, come downstairs. There's Camden. Come on out, Malik. I want to see your goofballs. Oh, well, you gotta stand in front of the camera, you knuckleheads.
Hey, can't God stand next to me?
Okay, back up a little bit. Watch your sister. Hey, hey, Malik, Camden, or Jada's right there.
Cheetah, cheetah.
Back up, Malik. Back up a little bit. So you gonna do a trick?
Oh.
Oh, careful your sister's head.
Hey. Oh.
We always forget.
Okay, I'm gonna flip over.
Okay,
Okay.
let's see a somersault.
Hey. Watch this.
Ow! You gonna do one too, Camden, or do you not know how?
I know how to do this.
Oh, Carl, good job,
I can do
Camden.
it over the bar too.
Okay, careful with Jada right there.
No.
Careful, Jada. Oh, good job.
Watch this and.
Ow. You okay?
I can get back over again.
Good job, Camden.
I got
What are
it.
you doing, Malik? Jada.
Watch this. Blue, blue, blue. Blue, turn me over. Now spin around. If you touch me, boy, go, go. Bing. Ah, boom, 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 boom. Boing, 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 boing. Hey. Hello, Pokey.
I want to see Jada. Jada. Don't touch. Jada. Oh, we'd like to see her, but her brother's finding her, Mom. She's gonna cry.
I can't see.
Well, stop.
Yeah. See the moon. Hey.
Just big old head out of it. I can't eat my toys.
See the moon. See the. See
Okay. Miss Data, where's Meg? Where's the Meg? Where's my friend?
Hey guys.
Yeah, it's good. Okay.
Say hi. Can you wave? Say hi. Say hi.
What you gonna say,
Say hi,
Meg?
Megan.
Give your friend a kiss again.
That's so cute. Can you give kisses? Mwah. Oh,
Yeah, put her on the head.
Nice girl.
Nice.
Oh, Megan.
Oh, nice.
Gentle.
Oh, geez, my friend's hitting me.
Oh.
Gentle.
What happened?
Gentle. He's
Meg.
looking the wrong way.
Meg.
That's true.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi, Megan. Can you say hi? Say hi, Mom.
Hey, birdie.
Hi, Mom. There you go.
That's
Say hi,
good stuff.
everybody. Hi, everybody. This is my friend Jada.
Can you give Jada a kiss, Meg?
Megan. Oh, yeah, nice
She's so
girl.
gentle.
Nice girl. Yeah. Oh, no, Megan. Nice.
We get excited, don't we? Pet her like a puppy.
Pet her like the kitties. Go down like this. See what you guys do.
He says, no, I don't get like that, Mom.
You gonna come get me, Meg? You could come get me. I want to see that big toy.
Oh, she's gonna eat her butt. Was that good?
Oh, never mind. I don't taste much. Sleep on the floor. Nice, Jada.
Jada's passing.
Are you being smiley for the cat?
You heard that brother. Alright.
Oh, she got it out. She pulled it apart.
That toy came off pretty easily.
Now what?
Taking this one
Now
home,
what?
Jada.
Megan. Megan.
Who is that?
Should we put that back?
Yeah. Can you do that?
I'll push my friend.
Here you go. Megan's like, wait a minute here.
Hey, how'd that happen?
You're just the baby.
Did
What
you
are you
make it
telling me?
spin?
Jada.
Good job.
Yeah, are you talking to the ball? Yeah. Are you talking to the ball? Yeah, you tell Julie. Tell Julie you got cool toys. Yeah.
What?
Ava boom.
You got cool toys.
You can tell all sorts of stories, right, Jada? Your friend breaking your toys over there?
Yep. Sorry.
He's like, oops.
Maybe that's why it's for the age it's meant for. At Megan's age, they
Megan's
get it
taking the
off.
toys apart. Alright.
I was at work and I hear there was somebody tugging at my pant leg, like right behind my knee. I'm like, I'm at work. I turn around, it was the patient next door trying to get my attention to get her some pain medicine.
Hey, lady.
I know. And she didn't say anything, she just started pulling at my pants. I'm like, wow.
Okay, stop eating the floor, Jada.
Face planting.
What about you?
Where are you going, Maggie?
You come see me, Meg?
Oh, what are you doing? Are you trying to take the camera away?
What are you
Look at-
doing? I know. What is that?
Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Megan, you hogging the camera.
Got
Look
big
at
ol'
her.
eyes in front.
Megan,
Go with her, Jada. Go get her.
go get Maggie.
Like,
Go
I don't
get
move like that yet. I can't
Megan keeps
move.
putting herself in front of the camera. You hog?
You guys go.
Look at, oh, you're flying, Jada?
Then get up and
Really
rock.
good getting up there.
Yes, I need to rock and I need to figure stuff out. There you go, Jada.
Guys,
Oh, nice.
guys,
What is the boy? Oh, the boy.
guys, see mommy.
Yep, you can see 'em. All three of them. All three of the kids. It's Rainy. Rainy McCoons.
Except what he
Rainy
wants to do.
McCoons and Jada's talking to Rainy. Oh, no, she's going to throw up on Rainy.
She okay?
Is she throwing up?
No.
When she stops coughing, to make herself stop coughing, she'll make a funny face. So that
Oh,
makes
you talking? You talking to Rainy? Let's even watch her. Megan just likes to be the boys. Women around.
You want to touch that boy?
You look much older than your age. He looks very. I don't know what it is.
No, Malik,
You don't
stop.
look like an 8-month-old.
Oh, what's the matter, Miss Jades?
Or does she just do that on purpose?
Yeah, she does it on purpose.
Attention.
If she
I remember-
if she feels a cough coming, she'll try and beat it like going.
Do you see the light? What's that light?
Rainy McCoons.
Maggie,
Rainy.
look at Jules.
Oh goodness, there he is. There he is. All right, there's Meg.
Don't hog it again.
So Megan's 12 months, Rainy's
8.
8, and Jada's 6.
No, he is 5.
Megan's too busy to be in the picture.
Yeah, Megan's got other priorities.
They're playing on the mamas.
Don't you?
You
You got other priorities. Oh, yeah.
He's smiling.
Yes, you got other priorities.
Want to go to mom too?
How much does he weigh?
He was 26 pounds last.
Wow!
Miss Meg.
I'll tell you.
Oh,
Stand them next to each other, George.
I
Stand,
too.
stand Meg next to Rain. Oh goodness. Look at Rain's eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Even
look at
height-wise.
his eyes. Meg, don't hit. Slap the boys. He's slapping the boys
Start
again.
getting fresh with you. You
He's practicing.
With a cutie little smile.
Mhm.
He'll hold me up.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh goodness. She's all in the boy's face.
Say hi. Are you gonna tell him the way it is, Megan? Are you gonna tell him the way it is? Say, I'm a wreck. It's not the way it is.
Does she have a temper? Like a...
Daddy, you do it like this.
I know, I'm not
Megan.
Quick hands, quick hands,
What is that, Megan?
quick hands.
Is that a green cap?
Quick hands, quick hands, quick hands.
What's he doing?
Goofy,
Say, show. Say, do it again, Malik. Do it again. Do it again, Malik.
Quick hands.
She wants to stop it, Malik. Can you let her stop it?
Okay, you can stop it.
Here, Megan. Look.
Stop it.
Come on, get it.
Come on. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Quick.
Here's Megan. Megan, here it is.
I'm gonna touch my friend.
He did say he was going to show her how to tackle.
She tackled you.
Yeah.
She said, this how you do it?
Here, look at. What's that?
What's this, Mommy?
Spin it fast.
Look at this.
Oh, what's that?
Are you crazy, man, Lily?
Right, Malik?
What's that little boy doing? What's that crazy boy doing?
Spin it.
See, Megan wants to see you spin it.
Give it.
You spin it in front of
Oh,
her
you like
Malik once
spin it.
and see what she does.
Okay.
Here, look.
Give it. Oh, that's fast.
Pretty
She
neat.
said, oh, that's fast.
Is that what she said?
That's what it's doing, isn't it?
Yeah. Bet. Spin it again for Malik.
Okay.
What's it doing, Megan? What's it doing? Yes, it's spinning
Stop,
fast.
stop. I go, stop, stop.
Saw that.
Show her again. Show her how to make it spin.
Stop, stop. Come on, got it.
Oh, what is that? Megan?
How does it go?
No.
She didn't put it in there.
Go like this.
Here you are. You want to start crawling yet?
Rock. Show me your rock.
Oh, yeah.
How do you rock?
Oh, this silly girl. What are you doing?
Bunny ears. The bunny.
That's what you doing. Come on, sweetie.
Don't look at me. Go to your mouth.
Come over here, Jada Moss. Hi, Momo. Hi. You gonna come over here? Come by Mama. Okay.
This is at 6 months?
6 months tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Started doing this a couple weeks ago.
And this is August. Today's August 15th. Is it dated on there?
No.
Let's update the date. He's videotaping Jada's movement.
Yeah. What you got going on your chin, Flabbery Bob? Go give your sister a hug.
He said, give her a hug.
Go give your sister a hug.
There he is. They're all in the video.
Oh, he's such a nice guy. He's so nice to you.
Big hugging Jada. Now I have both of them. Here we are. Hey, get off the paper.
Jada Mosh. Jada. Jada. Hi.
Rocks.
You wipe her chin off. She's got goobers on her.
Goober. Hey, I'm right here. Go, 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 go. You see me, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Adios. Oh, she still got that cheese on her face.
Yeah, it's such a good.
Daddy got that cheese on her
Are you all
face.
done, Malik? Rita? You did it.
I will do it.
Are you all done?
Yeah.
I'm lying on the carpet. Roberto! Come here, look what she's doing. Oh, sit back down. Go get it.
Go get it.
Leave her alone.
You see me, Mom?
I see you.
Yeah. You see my hand? See my hand? Hey.
Mom.
Get it, get it.
Chrissy, she's scooching. She's pulling herself across the floor. We're trying to get in that video, but then she stops every time we turn the
Get
camera
it
on.
away.
You allow her to draw. Do her stuff. Okay? Alright, you wanna try? Go.
Okay.
Go. Go down to see you. Move.
Yeah, actually I do, because Charlie's come and gone. And I have to get my stuff ready.
Yeah,
Oh, I'm out of tape. Alright. Alright.